on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a very tasty and delicious appetizer recipe. I'm going to make Reshmi Kebab and I'm going to make it in air fryer. And how do I'm going to make it tasty, juicy, tender and moist? That I'm going to share with you. And let's start with the ingredients. 2-pound boneless chicken thigh meat, all the spices, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, salt, parsley flake, lemon juice, 1 teaspoon each. Half teaspoon mint and 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. To make it delicious Reshmi Kebab, I'm going to use original cream cheese Philadelphia. You can use any cream cheese. For coating, unsalted butter, I'm going to melt it, and as we need it, we're going to use it. And if you're health conscious, please skip it. And let's get started. Get a mixing bowl. I'm going to bring all the dry ingredients: ground nutmeg, mint, parsley flakes, garlic powder, ground ginger, black pepper, salt, fresh lemon juice, and Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to use 4 tablespoons. Now we're going to mix with all our spices. Please use cream cheese at room temperature. Once it's nicely combined, that's going to be our marination. This is looking really nice. And now I'm going to bring the chicken and we're going to combine it well. So once it's really nicely marinated, I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. I'm going to get the plastic wrap, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. The chicken is marinated for 2 hours. I just took it out of the fridge. Mix it one more time. And I'm going to use air fryer, which is right here. We're going to open it. And we're going to make a Reshmi Kebab in our air fryer. And I'm going to make it juicy. I will show you how to do it. I'm going to use circle kabobs. These are really nice, and I'll provide you the link under my description in case if you need it. You can use many types of metal skewers, but they won't easy to fit in. I have posted one video of creamy kebab in air fryer and I use these skewers, but they are not really friendly. These are really nice. First we're going to place the meat pieces like this. So we're going to poke through and we're going to bring it all the way just like that. So I'm going to keep doing this just like this. They're looking good. So I'm going to keep doing it, then I'll share with you. I place all the chicken pieces into our metal skewers. I'll bring the fryer and we're going to place like this. The second one, we're going to place it just right in there. So the third one, we're going to place it right in here. It's like this. We're going to insert it and it's going to come right in the middle, just like this. And this is the way it's going to look. This is perfect. So we're going to make sure that we clean it on the top. My air fryer is ready. I'm going to place it, the basket right in there. And when we're going to place it, we're going to start it. We're going to keep the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the time to 20 minutes, and it will start. And after 10 minutes, we're going to open it. Then we're going to do the butter coating. It's already started, so we'll come back after 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes, 10 more minutes to go. I'm going to open it. Wow, look at this. This is how delicious our Reshmi Kebab looks. And now I'm going to bring the butter and we're going to do the butter coating. The butter coating will bring the richness to our Reshmi Kebab. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're health conscious, please skip this part. It's looking so delicious. The other two look fine, but the top one, I'm going to grab it. I'm going to turn it around and I'll keep it like this. Wow, look at this. Apply some butter on this side and I'm going to put it back into the fryer. And once we put it into the air fryer, it will start from the same 10 minutes where we left it off. So we're going to come back after 10 more minutes. 1 more minute to go. It's all done. Now we're going to wait for the final beep. That's the final beep. And altogether 20 minutes. So I'm going to unplug it. We're going to wait 5 minutes before it cools down, then I'll open it. We waited for 5 minutes and I'm going to open it. Wow, look at this. Delicious Reshmi Kebab. I'll take it out. Wow, look at this. So delicious. This is the good thing about air fryer. I love it. You really don't have to do anything. Once you put it in, it will cook to your perfection. Wow, look at this. Perfect. I love these. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious mouth-watering Reshmi Kebab made in air fryer. It's so juicy and so moist. As you can see, it is so appealing. You can serve during your party and everyone going to ask you, how did you make it? Please try it and you're going to like it. And please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day.